What is up, guys? I'm Tyler. This is Dangling with Tyler. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to be making the ultimate pond fishing tackle box that you can just keep with you in your truck or your car whenever you want to stop. Give it a quick dangle at the pond. So stay tuned. Let's go to Walmart. Alright, so we're back from Walmart and I have assembled the ultimate tackle box. So let's get into what I got. So to start off with, I got some hooks, sinkers, just a couple different sizes, which great for Texas rigs or anything. I got a spinnerbait, which is great when it's a little windy and there's a little bit of chop on top of the water. I got a chartreuse and black colored square bill crankbait, which was great for about any time. When the water is really calm, overcast, I got a popper, because you have to have top water in your box. I got a gold colored lipless crankbait, which is great when there's wind as well. I got a white chatterbait, which is great for any time of the year. Got a green and red colored jig. I got a couple of different craws. This one's black and blue, and then this one's green and blue. Got a frog with the white bottom, which is very important because the fish can only see the bottom color, so you have to make sure you have a great color on the bottom. I got a couple different colored flukes. I got a white one, and then I got a green pumpkin watermelon seed. Then I got some black and red Senkos and some green pumpkin Senkos. Then lastly, I got some green pumpkin trick worms and curly tail worms. So let's go out to the pond and I'll catch some fish for you guys. Gotta get one fish. There he is. Nice one. Finally. On a Senko. Of course. Nice and chunky. Oh, I thought you were going to. Okay. So Grampy said he caught one of his right in front of this dock. Yeah. Yeah, this morning. Got one. Another one about the same. It's probably smaller. Number 2. Number 3. Got one. Oh no. It's over the rope. Come over it, buddy. This is unfortunate. Yeah, it's kind of shallow. Oh, he's over there now. Yeah. Hope it's not too shallow. Oh goodness. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh goodness. Oh boy, I got him. So just caught this fish and it wrapped itself around the rope over there. Nice chunky, probably 2.5. And here you go. See ya.